Welcome to Node Run, a path-building game of strategy, chance, and treachery. Players compete in a fast-paced and cutthroat digital security race through a twisting network of nodes. To win, you must be the first to move your pawn across the board to the target code on the opposite side. A turn consists of 3 phases: build, move, and draw. Be careful to follow both context and syntax. Then you may move your pawn to a connected node. Paths connect to paths, tunnels connect to tunnels, and jump nodes connect to any jump node within 2 hexes. Then draw a new node card. You can also play nodes to turn your opponent sideways, or to make the syntax more difficult for them. Or block them with a virus, which can only be removed with a delete, which also destroys the node underneath. Each player's secret role, chosen at the start of the game, grants them one of 18 unique powers. For example, the beta testers use tunnels in unusual and powerful ways. The glitch rotates nodes, causing massive disruption. And the Black Hat spews out viruses at will. Each role has some unique and powerful feature, which makes each game a different experience. Gameplay also changes dynamically with the number of players. 2-player games are chess-like and deeply strategic. 3-player games are intense, adding the social element of treachery. With 4 players, player interaction takes center stage. If you're winning, watch your back. 6 players is chaotic. You will form alliances, but expect betrayal. Remember, there is only one winner, and it must be you.